Hey shippers! It's a beautiful Saturday morning in downtown Portland, and today I want to talk to you about choosing good tools, making good technical decisions. I got a question this week from someone who was switching platforms, and if you find yourself hopping from platform to platform, whether it's your website platform, a shopping cart, a learning management system, whatever it is, if you find yourself switching again and again over a relatively short period of time, then it's probably not the tool that's the issue. It's probably something in your process. So, as I've said in all of these other videos, I have a suite of tools that I have found works really well for me over the years and keeps my tech issues to a minimum. And it's not for everyone, but it works well, and it's worked for a lot of other people as well. So if you want to download that, you can go to carveldigital.com/tools. But when you're making these decisions, I want you to think about it like buying a car. When you buy a car, there's a few things that you know. You know that you're going to need insurance for that car because cars don't last forever and things happen, things break down. You know that you're going to need to do maintenance on that car. And if you're not a mechanic, you know that you're probably going to need someone else to help you do that. The same is true of tech. Unless you're a developer, you're probably going to need someone to support you in maintaining your website, keeping it up to date, making sure that your systems are running smoothly so that you can do what you do best and actually sell your product or service. So when you're making these decisions, do your research. First of all, decide what you need the tool to do. Decide what your business process is, what you want to happen, and be clear on that first, and then go research the tools and see, do they match my process? A lot of people jump on the next bandwagon and start using a tool because it's the hot new thing, and then find that it doesn't actually fit their business process. So decide on your process first, decide what you need it to do your research, consult a professional if necessary to help you make this decision so that it'll be as long-term as possible. And then once you decide, commit to using that tool to the best of its ability and integrating it into your systems. And if it's really not working and you've given it your best shot, then you can think about switching to something else. So that's what I have for you this morning. And if you like this video, subscribe on YouTube if that's where you're watching. Head on over to the blog, carveldigital.com/blog. Check out the other videos in this series and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this, if you have questions that you want me to answer in future videos, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a beautiful day.